Hi! In front of me is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to open Recorder app. It should be in Tools folder. Now tap on Standard and select the best mode for you, Standard, Meeting or Interview. You can also click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. Over here, manage all of those options however you wish to before recording, like file format. Then click on the back button and choose this red one to start your recording. Select Allow in the pop-up. In order to pause it or unpause it, tap on the same red button. You can add a bookmark by tapping on this left button and add a photo one by choosing this right one. Now take a picture. If you wish to discard it, click on this X. Then redo it. In order to save it, tap on the check mark instead. Now I need to rotate my device real quick. And finally, save my recording by tapping on this check mark at the top right corner. Now you can name it however you want to, and finally hit save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can play it by clicking on it. Select Allow. If you wish to delete it though, hold it, click on Delete at the bottom right corner, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!